Hello and welcome to today's lesson about mixed numbers. First, let's go over some important vocabulary that you will need to know for today's lesson. Our first term today is improper fraction. This is a fraction with a numerator that is greater than or equal to its denominator. For example, 36 sevenths, 4 thirds, 5 halves, 4 fourths, and 24 twelfths are all improper fractions. Sometimes these are also referred to as top-heavy fractions. In this case, you can see that our numerator, 36, is definitely bigger than our denominator, which is 7. Our second term today is mixed number. And this is a number that is written using both a whole number, here, and a fraction, which is here. Mixed numbers really stand for an addition algorithm with whole numbers and fractions. So 5 1/7 really means 5 plus 1/7. We just don't write the addition sign typically because we really don't need to. Now let's talk about how mixed numbers and improper fractions are related. Every mixed number has an equivalent improper fraction that goes along with it. In order to figure out what this improper fraction is, here is the process. You are simply going to take your denominator and multiply it by the whole number, and then you're going to take that answer and add the numerator to it. This is what it will look like. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So we are going to end up with an improper fraction of 17 over what? What number should we put on the bottom? We always are going to use the same denominator that we started with, so 7 is going to continue to be our denominator on the improper fraction side. Let's try another one. We're going to use the same process that we used up above. Multiply the denominator by the whole number and add the numerator in. The denominator on this side is going to be the same denominator that we used on this side. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and we're going to put that over 2 because that was our original denominator. One more example. 10 4/5. Same process as before. Multiply here, add here. 10 plus 5 is 50, and 50 plus 4 is 54. We're going to use the same denominator to get 54/5. All three of these are sets of equivalent mixed numbers and improper fractions. Here is your practice problem for the day. Change each of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Don't forget to multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator in to find out what your new numerator will be. Always use the same denominator that was originally used in the mixed number in your improper fraction answer. Good luck!